It is time to take this off. Let's get these contacts out. Perfect. I already know this is gonna be a lot of pain. Let's get the forehead. I'm gonna spray it with some of that. Let's try this again. I can't. It's stuck. Oh my god. Thanks for watching. Take off my makeup with me, handsome Squidward edition. All right, I'm gonna start with the bald cap. Oh gosh. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this chin off without remover. Ah, part of it. Ah. Oh my god, that hurts so bad. I use some Spirit gum remover. I can't, I literally can't. My skin is literally burning. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go shower. Take off my makeup with me, Darts edition. Let's get these contacts out. Get these lashes off. This should be fun. Let's try to get out the bottom. Let's get the neck. Ah! Now I'm gonna start wiping this off. Thanks for watching.
Makeup.
A clog.
Oh.
Get unready with me, special effects makeup. This is about to hurt so bad. It looks so weird. Let's get these contacts out. There we go. Thanks for watching.
Take off my makeup with me. Like, am I just going to like, how? I can't see anything. Am I? Oh no, I made it. Oh, oh my gosh, they're out. So I guess next step is just taking off this. I don't know how I'm supposed to do this. How did I do this? Oh gosh, okay, these gotta wait. I gotta get off the cotton first. Okay, this is the most chaotic take off my makeup with me I've ever done. I guess it's time for lashes now. Oh, this is probably really bad for my skin as well. Ah! Oh no.
Get unready with me, Christmas tree edition. I take the star out of my hair. Gotta take these ornaments off. Watch this. We're gonna try using these. Oh. It smells like so many chemicals in here. The most painful for last. Get these lashes off. Thanks for watching.
This is me, taking off a look that took 3 hours. I've only had it on for 5 minutes. But I'm really not looking to break out. I'm really hoping I at least got my 15 minutes of fame from this because my face is probably going to be stained for weeks. Thank you for coming to my TED. This is me, taking off a look that took 3 hours. I've only had it on for 5 minutes. But I'm really not looking to break out. I'm really hoping I at least got my 15 minutes of fame from this because my face is probably going to be stained for weeks. Thank you for coming to my TED.
Alright, you ready? Yeah. Hey! Shh, dude, no. You gotta go like, hey. Oh, okay. Wait. Now we're